I'm in a 2017 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first you open the hood and turn the vehicle off. But this is your dipstick here, so you'd pull this all the way out. And then you'd wipe it all the way clean with a rag or a paper towel. And then you stick it all the way back in. And then pull it right back out. And then at this point, you should see a couple dots between these two notches. The dot on the left is your full, and the dot on the right is your low. So ideally you want the oil to be pretty close, if not on that dot on the left. So we'll stick this back in. And if you do need to add some oil, you do it under this cap. So you just unscrew this all the way, and then make sure you've got the proper type of oil. Ideally the same synthetic conventional brand you've been using. But once you've unscrewed this with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, you can fill as needed, and then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. Try not to overfill if you can help it to, because that could also cause issues. But once you've added the oil, I would start the vehicle for 10-20 seconds to let that engine circulate the new oil, and then I turn it off again. And then I would do the same process again with this dipstick, where you pull it out, wipe it clean, stick it back in, and then you can check to see if you're near that full mark now. And all that said, I wouldn't do any of this in lieu of your regular oil changes, which, depending on type of oil, your motor mileage on the car, typically between like 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. And to do that, usually you would put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get to the oil pan, pull the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace the filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in nice and tight. And then you'd come back on the top here and remove that cap, and then fill with the recommended amount of oil for your particular motor, and then screw this on nice and tight when you're done. And then I would turn the vehicle on again 10-20 seconds to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then same process at the beginning again, where we check this dipstick to see if we're towards that full mark now. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.